Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today we have the Millo Smart Portable Blender, a very sleek and beautifully designed blender that is portable, easy to use, and controlled via an app allowing users to customize their own settings. The blender works using Millo's patented magnetic air drive, so there's no mechanical connection from the base to the cup. This product was kindly sent to me by Millo. All the links to the products will be in the descriptions below. But before we get into the cool features of this blender, let's check out what we get inside the box. Now, just unboxing this blender was a whole unique experience on its own. Really nice packaging, really innovative way of keeping everything in place while displaying some nice graphics. First, inside you'll get a 500ml drinking cup, a blending lid with a cover so that you can close it up when you're not using it, a drinking lid to convert your cup into a portable bottle, the Millo base. Now this is a silicone base with a plastic top. This will be what your cup connects to and what you will need to charge. You will also get a USB charging adapter and some user guides. Now, as mentioned, the blender is a portable one, but you'll still have to charge it from time to time using the provided charging cables. There are two ways to operate this blender. You can do it manually using the touch controls on the base, or use the Millo app, which allows more options and customizable controls. On the touch controls, you have three different modes: a silent, a pulse, and a smoothie mode. Now, along with these three preset modes, there are 8 levels of speed control. One of the coolest features about this touch control pad is that the position of the buttons are not fixed, and you're able to review and use these controls anywhere around the base. Now, for those of you who are wondering how this blender works, it basically has a spinning magnet in the base that connects to the blending lid, which in turn spins the blade in the cup. This keeps everything clean and easy to use, and also looks great as a home appliance. So let's talk about some of the features of this product. Now, firstly, usability. The 8 speeds on the blender gives you a wide range of things that you can use it for, from a very simple mix of liquids all the way to blending up certain solids. Now, using the app to control this blender gives you a bit more flexibility. You're able to control the speed in very micro adjustments, and you're also able to do it wirelessly, so you don't have to exactly be near the blender. In terms of how loud this blender sounds, it's quite difficult to explain it, but here's some sound clips to give you guys a gauge.
No known cause.
Now, let's talk about one of the most important things about using these blenders and home appliances, which is safety. Now, Millo has some really cool technology in this blender that detects foreign objects being placed on the magnetic pad, as well as detects if your lid isn't closed properly and your cup isn't secured. Now, I'm not too sure about the science and technology behind this, but it's really interesting how they've implemented this into this product. Now, next up, this base, like I said, is battery operated, which means it is portable. Now, although this isn't exactly very light, I can see it being used on camping trips or short getaways, so you can blend your smoothie or juices on the spot, keeping all your ingredients fresh and possibly retaining the flavors a lot better. In terms of cleaning this product, I'd say it's generally easy to clean. The only thing you really need to clean is the cup and the lid. However, there are certain corners on the screw thread of the lid that might be a bit difficult to clean, but that's not such a big deal. Now, let's talk about the things that I didn't really like about this product. Now, there are some silicone parts on this product which has this very sticky, rubbery texture. I don't know if you guys understand how that feels, but it doesn't feel great. It feels like over time it might attract a lot of dust and a lot of residue, and it's not exactly very easy to maintain. Now, although this is only found on the base of the blender and on certain parts of the blending lid, I just found that it was a very strange material to be using on an appliance such as this. I would have much preferred the rubber and these sticky kind of materials to be reduced and have a more plastic, smooth finish so that it's easier to clean. The other thing is that the power button is on the bottom of the product. This isn't such a big deal, but I guess it's a bit weird to flip up the product in order to turn it on. Now, they could have integrated this power button onto the sides or onto the back of the product, but that just might ruin the clean aesthetics of the whole design. Now, that being said, that's just me being very picky. This is a very beautifully designed product and very impressive. If you have a nice kitchen, this will definitely not stand out too much as a blender, but rather a very cool designer piece that looks great, and especially the touchpad that has these lights that spins around. It's really a experience just using a blender. I never thought I would say that, but very interesting product from Millo. If you guys want to know more about this, do check out their website. They have some other products there that you guys might be interested in. But if not, a big thank you again to Millo for sending this out to me. I'm going to have a lot of fun using this to do some juices, you know, mix up some protein and stuff like that. But I hope this has been informative for you guys. And if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.